Hello everyone, it's Jean. Welcome and welcome back. As I promised in my last video, I'm going to be doing a flip through of this lunch bag accordion spine little easy put together journal. And if you missed that, I'm going to put a link down below to the playlist on how this was assembled. And I also have a surprise, like I had also mentioned, and that is this is going to be a giveaway. So this giveaway is going to be open to US and Canadian citizens only, please, and 18 years and older. And comment on this video down in the description box. So leave a comment. It doesn't have to be anything specific, but you do need to put your comment down so that I'll have your name down here, and it needs to be on this particular video because this is where I'm going to be drawing the names from. And we're going to be doing the drawing on July 9th. So that's the first Tuesday after the 4th of July weekend. And so please mark your calendar for that date. So you have up until the 9th to enter. And so I think that's all the info you need. So let's do a little flip through of this journal. And on the cover, I have put in the Lost in the Forest little label, but you can replace that with your own label. I've actually provided a few here. And we will get flipping through. Now, this particular pack of papers that I used, I will put down below. I got it on Amazon, and I will list down below the name of the company that I got it from, just so that in case you wanted the same thing. Now, some of these other images here are from the Graphics Fairy Premium site, but the basic paper itself is from there. Here's the first pocket inside, and I've altered this little cute tag, and this is a waxed butterfly using beeswax to make it kind of transparent there, and that goes in the first pocket. These pockets have plenty of room for other pieces as well, and inside this first page is a pocket, and I have put in this craft cardstock, which is pretty heavy. Perfect place to put a photo if you'd like. And that goes inside there. Now, each of these pages has one of these pockets in here, if you'll remember. And there's plenty of room. Well, I'm having a little trouble putting that in there. There's plenty of room in here for additional things. I have left the other pockets empty, except for the last page, just so that you can fill it up with whatever you would like to do. And so in here are some more journaling cards, and a little card there that goes inside the pocket that is located right here. There we go. Okay, inside there. And a flip over of a craft envelope. And inside the craft envelope, I have a little booklet for you to fill out the way you would like. A belly band with a couple of journaling cards stuck inside of there. Of course, I've done a lot of sewing around the pages. And aside these two pockets is more little journaling cards. I've tried to print on the opposite sides of them just so that it looks kind of cute, you know, give you something to look at on the back as well, with an additional postcard inside. Here is, I better close this up. Here is a pop-up pocket, and this is what we made from the base of our lunch bags. But inside here I've included some pieces of ephemera for you to use to decorate the journal further the way you would like to do so. And a couple more labels inside there. And then in the side of that is another journaling card, just stuck inside like so. Over here, the pockets here are here on the side. So there's two journaling cards stuck in the sides here. And then on top, I have put this little collection of owl digitals. This is from the Graphics Fairy Premium site as well. I think most of the additional things here are. You can write on the back of these if you would like. And these just get stuck inside this pocket right up on top like that. And then another flip out envelope with another booklet. There's some papers in here for more journaling if you would like. And the belly band, of course, with a couple of journaling cards stuck inside that one. And on the last page is this large journaling card, a little owl on there, and two more inside these pockets are two more journaling cards, a little bear. And in the since this is the last page, we have another one of these craft paper cards for you to journal on. And that is the little journal. So cute. It has a little muslin spine there on the back of it as well. So this, of course, is going to be the giveaway. So please enter on this description box, and the drawing will be July 9th. So please mark your calendar for that, and subscribe so that you know when that video pops up. And we will talk to you real soon. Bye.